तो अपने हेड क्यों जाओ ये हेड क्यों ना वाले खत्म था ये हेड का वाले कोई हम हो काम थे कोई हम हो काम थे
जो समुदाय के लोग हैं जो हजारों की तादाद में जंतर मंतर पर मौजूद हैं। जंतर मंतर का विशाल मैदान करीब आधा इन्हीं से भरा हुआ है। नमस्कार, सत श्री अकाल। मैं हूं सुल्तान भारती और आप देख रहे हैं सेकुलर भारत न्यूज चैनल। दोस्तों, आपको पता है मणिपुर में राष्ट्रपति शासन चल रहा है और वहाँ की दो प्रमुख संप्रदाय कुकीज जो कम्युनिटी और मैतेई, उनके बीच में चलने वाला हर्ष विराम क्या राष्ट्रपति शासन लगने के बाद बंद हो गया है। आज एक ऐसा दिन था कि पहली बार जंतर मंतर पर दोनों कम्युनिटी एक ही दिन प्रदर्शन करने के लिए आई और उनकी बातें सुनने के बाद में उनके नेताओं से बात करने के बाद में यह पक्का हो गया कि राष्ट्रपति शासन लगने के बाद भी मणिपुर की समस्या जस की तस है। लगता है मैतेई को लगता है कि सरकार जो है कुकीज के साथ खड़ी है और कुकीज को लगता है कि वो मैतेई के साथ खड़ी हुई है। दरअसल जब सरकार न्याय करना चाहती है तो इस तरह की भ्रम की स्थितियां दोनों संप्रदाय के बीच में आती है। लेकिन इस बारे में उनका कहना क्या था, उन्होंने जवाब क्या दिया, तो सबसे पहले आप कुकीज जो कम्युनिटी, कुकीज स्टूडेंट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन दिल्ली NCR के हज़ारों की तादाद में लोग आज पहुँचे थे जंतर मंतर। मैंने उनके नेताओं से खुलकर इस बारे में बात की। हजारों की भीड़ और इसमें कुकीज जो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का ये स्टूडेंट विंग है दिल्ली का।
People's fact, people's argument, timelines, target audience, next stage also details about it. Long Satan, if there was someone who came out, is Kasap Samarin, also yellow way, long Satan, and thanks, Raya Hill, the genuineness to moving here.
केएसए के प्रेसिडेंट हैं स्टूडेंट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन। दो दिन पहले हुई बारिश का असर मौसम पर पूरी तरह है।
India has also played a very, very shady role in the entire conflict. The national media shamelessly gave platforms to majority propagandists and allowed them to spew lies about the identity, about the citizenship, about various things, about various allegations. They were given platform by media to say all those things and they were propagated throughout the world. But always remember one basic rule. Anything spinning out of a propaganda machine is to be disbelieved. Just to Assam Rifles to spare his life. It's only the spirit, unbeatable spirit, and the de facto separation effected in the state by the Kukizo people, which has broken the back of the terrorism in the state. And this shall continue. The spirit should not break.
There's a norm shift. Your political norms. Mass movement. Public are declarable.
जंतर मंतर का
We are redefining the rules of politics.
इसी भीड़ ने कवर कर रखा।
Mass movement, people's movement is going
और संताप
दुनिया पर आए थे बच्चों।
लेकिन
players
पूरी तरह डिसिप्लिन।
Masamachu lamkai hoy tivin. Mass movement yale eohi. We are active political players. A political movement.
After a long time, the demonstration of today was occurred at the Jantar Mantar, New Delhi. What is the reason? Because I see your KSO.
Yeah, guess
Uh,
what? Delhi NCR.
Yeah. Your KSO always within the month. You are always organizing this kind of meeting. But this time, it was occurred after a long time. What was the reason?
Because this marks the day for the outbreak of this ongoing ethnic conflict or ethnic problem in Manipur. This is a day of separation. On this day of 3rd May 2023, the Métis kicked out and killed the Kuki people who were dwelling in Imphal area. So today mark the day of separation. We are observing this day of separation across the country and even abroad, wherever the Kuki peoples are found.
President rule was imposed there
Yeah.
for the sake of maintain law and order. But even law and order is nowhere, solution is nowhere. Why? What may be the reason?
Yeah, this sort of president's rules that is being imposed in the state of Manipur is not the real president's rule. This is just for the sake of suspended animation, which I personally feel this is a kind of suspended ammunition. The central government or through the governor, it forced the village volunteers to submit their arms, which the Arambai Tengol, they did it in a way that it is not appreciated. They submitted only 300 single barrel, and they have been hiding more than 7,000 arms, sophisticated arms that were looted from police armory and even from police training center of Manipur. So this sort of president's rule that is imposed in the state of Manipur is not the real president's rule, and this is just to impose something that could help the governor to take the arms back, but which is not the sole purpose.
After the May 2023, up today, 300 villages are burnt to ashes.
Yeah.
7,000 people are
Yeah.
destroyed. They are as a refugee. They are living as a refugee. Even government could not solve any problem. What may be the reason?
Yeah, actually, those people whom you said refugees, actually, you should not label them refugee. They are said to be IDP, internally displaced persons. Yeah, it's very unfortunate on the part of the center for not giving appropriate attention to the sufferings and victimhood of the Kuki people. So the center, it has to rethink these genuine political aspirations of the Kuki people, because if the center does not come out to help the Kuki people maintain this separation, there will be another worse bloodshed in the state. So the center should intervene. This is high time. It's been 2 years now. Why? It lent us blind eye, blind ear. The center should not do this. It has to rethink and come out with a very long, far-fetched and viable solution, and that is Kuki's demand for separate administration in the form of UT with legislature.
Last question. Even you are raising the same slogan in the air. Separate administration is the only solution.
Yeah.
So neither government nor administration, nobody is able to give the solution of this one. Who is culprit then?
The center is the culprit in this regard, because the way how we are demonstrating, protesting, rallying this far since the outbreak of this violence is democratic, but the center has, as I said, been lending deaf ear, they have a blind eye to our demand. So this elongation of demand or suffering of the Kuki people, the victimhood of the Kuki people is the center. I want to blame on the center. Had it paid enough attention, genuine attention, it would not have been flared up this far. So my blame primarily is on the center.
Whole the country,
Yeah.
as well as the countrymen, they are sympathetic to you.
Yeah.
So any message to the countrymen?
Yeah, actually, the people across the country is sympathetic not to the Kuki people as such, but to the truth. Everybody knows, every layman knows what truth is, but it's the center, despite knowing it, it acts as if it doesn't see it, it doesn't hear it. So the center should come out with good intention to solve this solution. It means the center has to have genuine political will to solve this problem in Manipur.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Your good name?
My name is Mr. Pau Zakub Goite, and I'm the president of Kuki Students Organization, Delhi NCR, the organizing committee of today's protest.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
I do believe we shall overcome someday. You're not afraid? We are not afraid. We are not afraid. We are not afraid today. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. We are separate. We are separate. We are separate. We are separate today. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday.
The cookies demand separate administration. 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 No separate administration. No rest. 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 The cookies demand that in a UT with legislature. The cookies demand UT with legislature. The cookies demand UT with legislature. The cookies demand UT with legislature. No separate administration. No rest. No separate administration. No rest. No separate administration. No rest. Thank you, Pai.
After imposing a president rule, is there any changing or the same happening in Manipur?
There is no change.
No change.
No change in a sense. The buffer zones are still intact. In the sense, yes, with the president's rule, the government of India must have tried to dismantle the buffer zones. Yet, these buffer zones are, mere physical buffer zones. But the buffer zones inside of us, emotionally, including geographically, and most importantly, emotionally, separation is already intact.
Intact.
So its president's rule has brought about nothing with regards to the change in the separation between the valleys and the hills. So
300 villages are burned to ashes. 7,000 are refugee on their own state. Even if nothing is normal, why? What may be the reason? Local administration is not trying to get any solution.
see, there is no real intention to actually bring in solution as soon as possible to the problem in Manipur. The government of India is buying its own time, looking forward to the next year's election, 2027 election. And president rule is, I think, it's just a step a stepping stone for them to actually ensure, the groundedness of the preparation for the party, and therefore win the brownie points again in the 2027 election. Why I say this is because look at the prompt response of the Prime Minister, the Home Minister, the Defense Minister when Pahalgam was attacked.
Oh, so
Yes, 26 innocent victims lost their lives. We mourn for them. We pity them. Our hearts goes out to the victims. But this selective response of the government of India to its own citizen is something that is not acceptable to the Kuki people.
one reason.
Prime Minister spoke within an hour when Pahalgam was attacked. So are the people in Kashmir different from the people in Manipur, especially the Kukis?
Yes.
Aren't we all the citizens of this country? This selective outrage and response to bring in justice should be put a nip in the bud. Prime Minister has to ensure that justice is served for everybody. Equitable justice. Yeah.
Last question. Before many times, while solution is nowhere in the Manipur, so you raise the slogan, separate administration is the only solution.
Yes.
Even you are bent upon on the same decision.
Yes, till today, our demand stays the same. No matter what, whether the Indian government is moving forward or backward, the demand is still the same. And as a rightful citizen of this country, we will be steadfast in our demand, and we will ensure that the rule of the law, the constitution is duly followed.
Yes.
For the people of Manipur, the Kuki community in Manipur, so that they live with dignity, they live with respect, and govern themselves so as to be able to contribute to the growth of this country. Viksit Bharat 2047. Therefore, it is critical. It's critical that the demand stays the same, and that the government of India responds very quickly to this demand.
Sir, in the last, after the imposition of the president rule, if there is no any solution, so you have to wait until the timing of president rule is over. Because I am saying that your demonstration, it is held today.
We will wait no matter how long. But it is incumbent upon the government of India that quick fixing of this problem in Manipur, pertaining to the Kuki-Jo people, is critical. Why I say this is because the Indian government is busy in building its global image. If India is not able to address the internal problems, how are we going to face the other challenges that is facing the country? So in terms of diplomacy, it is not just building friendship and relationship with the rest of the country, but building a camaraderie, building a friendship, a concern for each own citizen. That must be kept as a pivotal agenda for the government of India.
Your good name, please.
My name is Thangminlal Dongyam. I am the Vice President Administration of the